One of the most common mistakes I see women make when they come to me for help on their weight loss journey is that they are not eating enough protein. I mean, they're literally eating like 20 to 30 grams of protein a day, and then they're wondering why they're so hungry, why the scale won't move, why they're not losing weight, why they're emotional eating, why they have crazy cravings, and they are freaking fed up. Protein is an essential macronutrient for you guys to be consuming on your weight loss journey.
So first of all, protein is your king macronutrient, okay? When you're on a weight loss journey, protein should be your number one focus.
King
right?
like you.
King like me. Yeah. So the reason protein is so important, why it's the king macronutrient is protein has the highest, when we eat it, it has the highest satiety value. Yep. It means when we eat protein, we're gonna stay fuller for the longest amount of times, for a longer amount of time when compared to carbohydrates or fats,
right.
Okay? Now, something really cool happens when we eat protein, okay? We eat protein, we have something called the thermic effect, okay? So when we eat a lot of protein, our body produces a lot of heat to break this down, AKA it takes a lot of calories to break the protein down.
Wait,
okay?
So you're saying that we're actually burning more calories just from eating protein?
That's why protein is king macronutrient.
Well,
one of the reasons.
Hell yeah, ladies, let's get that protein in. I mean, I forgot about that.
Yeah, and another great reason protein is so important for your weight loss journey is that the more protein we eat, right, proteins build muscles. That's what our muscles are made of.
Right.
Amino acids make up proteins. Yes, the more protein we have in our diet, the more muscle we can build. The more muscle we build, the more muscle that's on our body, the more fat we are gonna burn, because muscle is a metabolically demanding tissue. It burns fat.
Exactly. And I know a lot of you ladies are watching and like, well, I don't know that I want muscle, I just want to be toned. But every time you say you want to be toned, that actually means that you want to build muscle. So in order to build lean muscle mass and shed fat, you actually need to supply your body with an appropriate amount of protein. So if you've been working out for a while and you think you're eating healthy, but you're not seeing the transformation you want in your body, chances are, one, you're under eating, and two, you're definitely under eating your protein. So a good kind of range that we can give you, like a base, I like to give this to my clients when they first start, 1 gram of protein per ideal body weight. So if you weigh 180 pounds, but your ideal weight is 140, you wanna eat like 140 grams of protein, but if you came in around 120, 130, that's still plenty. If you're only eating 20 to 30 grams a day, you're gonna have to slowly work your way up because your digestive system is gonna be like, whoa, hold up. So just increase slowly, okay? But yes, protein is essential to fat loss. It's gonna help you build those lean muscle. And like Mike said, it has that high thermic effect, which means you're actually burning calories after you eat it. So you don't get that from fat and carbohydrates. Now you need all 3 macronutrients in your diet. We're not saying don't eat fat, don't eat carbs, just saying protein is the king.
Protein
right?
should be your first focus.
Yeah, it should be the first focus along with veggies, of course. So if this video resonated with you ladies, I love for you to go ahead and grab my emotional eating guide below. I know for me that was an issue that I had for a long time, and I basically have overcome it. And that's why I created this guide, just to help you guys, because we get crazy cravings, we all emotionally eat, we're stressed out, we're busy. I totally get it. You do too. We all do it. But there are some tips and hacks in there in this guide that are really gonna help you out. My name is Angelica. This is my boyfriend, Mike, and we'll chat with you guys soon.